a box plot or box whisker plot in Origin. First, I will show you how to draw a box plot with 3 sets of data shown here. Remember, there is no x value in Boxplot. So you can change ax to ay, or if you don't want to change it, that's also fine. Write your sample or group's name in the long name section. Here I have 3 sets of perovskite solar cell efficiency data, that is with and without doping in perovskite. Select all data and click plot. Then this window will open. Here you can see box. In this box you can see a lot of different box plot models. First we can check how to draw a simple box plot. Click the box. Then the box plot is displayed here. Next is to arrange or modify the plot. Here the legend part is unnecessary, so delete it. Next, to draw border line to the graph. Select add top X right Y layer. Delete the border line titles on right and top of the graph. Next, double click on the right or top axis. A new window will open. Unclick the show in the tick labels. Do the same for both top and right axis. Next, rename the Y and X axis. Right click the Y axis name. Click properties. In the new window, write down the Y axis name instead of the inbuilt name. In this case, it is the power conversion efficiency PCE in percentage. Choose the font size. If you wish, you can make it bold. Click OK. Similarly, click on the x-axis. In the new window, select the same font size under the format section in the tick labels. Next, you can modify the outlook of your graph by adjusting the grid size, line and thickness, tick size, etc. Do the same for all the axes. That's the only thing we need to remember. Then we can modify the box appearance. Select one box, right click, new window will open. In this, under the group, you can make them independent or dependent. Now I am choosing dependent. In the symbol section, you can adjust the size of symbol and also can choose which symbol you like. You can select and click apply and see your box plot. Next section is pattern. In this, you can choose the color, style and width of border. Also the color and pattern of the box. You can adjust these by looking the preview, and in the gradient you can mix two colors to look the box more beautiful. There are lot of options here you can explore. Next, in the spacing section, you can adjust the gap between the boxes in percentage. Try different values and click apply. You can see the changes in the box plot. Next section is box. Here in the type section, you have box only, data only, box data, etc. Click each of them. In the preview section, you can see the box models. Next, the box style. No box, box, I-shaped box or diamond box, notched box, etc. are the options available. You might heard about this notched box. See the preview and select the style you want. Similarly, you can select the range. Lot of options are there. Also choose the box width in percentage. Click apply and check the changes in the box plot. Also, you can select the whisker range. Whisker is the line through the box. And also you can click all of them under labels or just click whatever the data you want to look in the box plot. Next, under the section lines, you can choose the style, width, color, etc. Also the cap length, that is the whisker top and bottom line. Next is pattern. Here you can select the color, width and gradient of the pattern. Next section is percentile. Here in the section type you can see maximum, 90%, minimum, mean, 1%, etc. You can choose the symbol and size and edge color also. What are the data you want to show in your plot? You can select them. You can check the available options and click apply, see the plot and choose the best one you like. This is the way to plot simple box plot in easy way. Next, we can check how to plot box normal in Origin. Select the data and click the box normal. The box normal plot is shown here. Delete the legends. Next steps are same as we see in the case of normal box plot. Modify the axis like axis thickness, grid line thickness, font size, etc. Next, modifying the box same as before. Here little more options are available. Choose them wisely. Final plot will like this. Next, copy the plot to wherever you want to save. You can right click the graph and choose copy page if you want to save the graph as origin file. If you want to save as picture, right click the graph, choose export graph, choose the image type and write the name. Select the path where you want to save, click OK. Do the same for all the graph or all the plot. This is very easy, isn't it? If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.